Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Lightroom Classic, importing the shot, and switching to Develop, then zoom to 100% so you see exact pixels. Once done, press Q to activate spot removal and choose Heal to preserve texture. Set brush slightly larger than the mark so edges blend. Make sure you work non-destructively. Lightroom keeps a history, so you can iterate. As you click the defect, the tool samples an area. You're already in the first actionable step toward a clean image. Now refine removal with deliberate adjustments. Adjust size to match the spot, feather for soft edges, and lower opacity if you want subtle blending. You'll switch to clone when the area contains repeating structure like hair or fabric, because clone copies exact pixels. Once done, drag the sampled circle to a better match or manually pick a source. Make multiple passes on complex areas rather than overworking one pass, and use Visualize Spots to reveal low contrast. To finish, review the entire image at 100% and at screen fit so you catch both micro and macro issues. Toggle the spot overlays to inspect without guidance marks. Apply local tone or color adjustments near repaired zones to match exposure and color. If working a series, sync or copy the spot removal settings across similar frames. If things go wrong, try different sample areas or flip between heal and clone. That switch often fixes visible artifacts and restores a natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.